Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 15 of the Cougar Connection. I hope that everyone had a great Christmas break and a New Year's holiday. We do return to school tomorrow, January the 2nd, and that will begin our semester after the break. For our student spotlight, we would like to take a moment and shout out to our drama students. There are about 50 students in that class, so too many students to name. But I do want to say that all feedback from our drama production of the Great Christmas Pageant ever was excellent. It was even said by Mr. Fritz that he thought it was possibly the best Christmas production or Christmas play that we had ever had. So huge shout out to the drama students and huge shout out to Mrs. Prather and Mrs. Miller for making that a success. And I cannot wait to see drama students what you guys present in the spring of the year. Just a few upcoming things for this week. There's really not a lot on the calendar, but like I said, tomorrow, Tuesday, is going to be the first day back from break, and then Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. Don't forget, parents and community, we do still have our Bring It shirt order forms available, and we are selling Bring It shirts. We'll probably place another order in the next few weeks. And if you have needs, vinyl posters that you would like made, or just posters in general, we can do those in our SMS library. Please contact Mrs. Wagner at 606-845-9331. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.